My last video was the first episode of a series I started making money online, and it was titled How Not to Make Money Online. That is, ways that people are projecting that they are making money online today that are not actually genuine ways of making money online. I'm Damilare Daniel Oguntoye. I help people to get started with their tech career, make money with the skills they have, and at the same time, I help businesses 10x their sales using digital solutions. This is the second episode of the Make Money Online series, and it will be titled How to Make Money Online. One, which is sell your product. Sell your product. I define money as a means of exchange for value. You offer someone something and they give you money in return. An age-long evidence of this is buying and selling, which is actually where money originated from. Make money by selling your products. The richest black man today make his money from selling. It sells virtually everything. But the advent of internet has changed everything. It changed how we behave, changed how we think, and changed how we do things. It has actually changed how people spend and make money. A lot of people making money today on the internet are making it selling a particular product or the other. Look at your friends that are doing 9 to 5. Majority of them don't have the time to go to the market. They resolve in buying online. There are some products like you use today that is not even available in your locality. You have to buy online. So virtually 1 in every 10 today buys online, and it's expected to reach as much as 7 in every 10 by the end of 2035. This is 2026. Between now and then, it's about 9 years. What are you going to do? Sell your product online. A lot of you might be wondering that, what am I going to sell online? You don't necessarily need to have the product online, but if you know how to sell it and where to sell it online, then you can walk up to anyone that has product. You can walk up to anyone that have product that I'll be coming to pick a product from you, because everyone that have product want to sell. I'll be coming, I will sell this product from you. When I sell it, I give you your money immediately. I'll come back when I have order and sell. That is the way majority of the online vendors started. And people from that today own shop. Some even owns warehouse by picking products from the owner, sell it online, and making their own money, making their shares. If you have always been wondering how you can make money online, my first advice to you, my first recommendation is sell your products online. Jeff Bezos, chairman of Amazon, said, and I quote, "There is virtually no products that cannot be sold online." So think of it. There is nothing you cannot sell online, provided that you've determined that I'm going to sell this. Think there is no product that you cannot sell online. Food, people buy food online. While we are growing up, they used to tell you that do not take food from the strangers. But my lunch today was delivered by someone I don't know. I don't even know who prepared it. That's what data age has turned the world to. If you are not taking advantage of this, then you are losing out. If you want to make money on the internet today, start selling online. So in this video, I'll be showing you practical ways to sell online, and there are 2 basic categories of products you can sell online. You can sell digital products online. I'll give you an example of digital product, and at the same time, you can sell physical products online. Digital products are products like your tutorials, ebooks, videos, songs, design collections, paintings, art, and the likes. You can sell this thing online. If you want to start selling online and you don't know where to, I'll be listing platforms that you can engage, you upload your product and start selling at no cost. The links to those platforms will be in the description of this video so that you can click after watching the video to get started. The platform I'll be recommending include 1. Amazon Kindle is a place you can sell your tutorial, your ebook. If you're a writer, you write books, poems, you can sell it on Amazon Kindle. If you know how to make music, how to make create an illustration, you can sell it on Amazon Kindle. Another one is Seller. Seller also is a global platform. You can sell your books, your art, tutorials, your video, your masterclass. You can sell them on Seller. Seller link also is in this video. Another platform you can use is Nestreach. You can use Nestreach to sell your story, your books, your creative collection, your videos, and you can sell it on Nestreach. Paystack is another platform. With Paystack, you can create a mini shop page that have your products and services. People can get to order your digital products on Paystack. Just register on Paystack, upload your products, and get started. You can use these platforms I've mentioned to sell all your digital products. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button now, so that when we are uploading the remaining series on how to make money online, you will be notified and you won't miss out on it. At the same time, you can comment other ways you want to learn about making money online in the comment section. I will reply. If it was creating content, I will just create a video for you, tell you how you can go about it. Don't forget to like and share. You have people that want to start making money online, share with them, either as side hustle or they want to start doing something. Share this video with them. The second category of products you can sell online is physical products. And when I'm talking about physical products, tangible products that people buy offline, your goods, consumables, and the likes, electronics, there is no limit to the product you cannot sell online. All you have to do is identify a product. If you are already selling, this is the best time for you to bring what you are selling online. And practical ways you can sell your physical product online is you can sell on Jumia. If Jumia vendor service is available in your locality, register. The link also is included in the comment section. Register for Jumia vendor services. How it works is, after you've registered, upload your product. When there is an order, you take the product to them, they will deliver and remit your money to you. As simple as that. Another one is AliExpress. AliExpress allow you to sell across the world. Any product, register as AliExpress seller and you can start selling. But I think AliExpress is somehow strenuous for people in Nigeria, but there are always ways around it. Gigi is another platform where you can sell your products. Anything you are selling, upload on Gigi, start selling. If you are selling groceries, household items, selling cars, clothes, anything, upload on Gigi. Other platforms include your WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, you upload it on your status, people will start seeing it and buying from you. Another platform you can use is Facebook Marketplace. If you already have a Facebook account, just go to the Facebook Marketplace, upload your product, put the price and the description. You get people to message you for your product. You can even create a business page for yourself. Create a Facebook business page. Instagram is another platform you can use to sell your products. And for people that have a physical store, if you are already selling, you have a location where you are already selling before now, Google My Business is a very important platform you need to take advantage of. If you have a physical shop, ensure your shop location is mapped on Google My Business. Because a lot of people that are buying stuff today, they just go online, search for what they want to buy and search for people that are doing it near them. They read reviews and choose. And if you are not there, there is no way they can buy from you. So don't just be saying you are not selling, the market is not moving. People are not coming to the store to buy again. Go online, push your product online, register on the platform I've mentioned, and start selling. As simple as that. And aside Google My Business, if you can afford it, get a website. If you have products you are selling, create a website for it. Upload your portfolio. People will go on your website, read about your product, compare your price, and make payments. You just receive the notification and you process the order. If you are into buying and selling today, you need to have your own website. These are how you can sell and make money legitimately online. If you need further clarifications on any of the platforms I've mentioned, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload the next episode of how to make money online legitimately. Stop being victim of getting scammed all in the course of trying to make money online. One of the pillars of this channel is to ensure average person is able to make money online legitimately with their skill or products. See you on the next one.